Okay, guys. So yesterday I discussed about the order by clause. So how many of you have not practiced what we have discussed yesterday and the previous yesterday? Can you raise your hand? How many of you have not practiced? Susma, why you have not practiced yesterday's session? Is there any reason?
Sir, I forgot my laptop at my principal madam's house. That's why.
Okay. Satandar, why you have not practiced, Satandar?
Actually, I do at the same time, but today
Acha.
I was very stuck that why. But from tomorrow,
Hmm.
I'll do continue means 3 to 4 hours
Yeah,
at
fine.
least.
Hussein Basa, why you have not practiced?
Jayant, actually, I installed, but I can't able to properly.
Yeah, fine.
That's why I came to tomorrow message because of I'm working somewhere.
No problem.
Actually, say you had to. I have word because of you joining the session 7 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's better to me.
No problem. Okay. Guys, is there any problem to join at 7:45?
No, sir.
Then why people are
No,
not
no.
joining on time only? Okay, guys, so let's start with the order by clause. So yesterday we discussed all of this. If you want to order your data in ascending order or descending order, then you will use order by clause. Order by clause. In the last, you will mention as select a star from table name and where salary sorry, order by salary, something like that you will mention DSC or ascending or descending. If you want to data in increasing order, you will mention as a ascending, where if you want data in descending order, you will mention as a descending. Okay, so I'm just connecting to the HR database now and will show you some of the query. We have a query in our this also, so you can see these are the things are shared with you guys in the drive, Google Drive. You will have access to all these things. So if I want to get my salary in ascending order, we'll say that salary in ascending order. So if I'll run this, we'll get our salary in ascending order, like minimum will come first. Okay, and it will keep on increasing like this. It will keep on increasing. Can you see, guys? And other value also, it will be arranged based on this value. Other value also, it will be arranged based on this value. Okay, so next one, if I'll make it descending, then what will happen, guys? Did you see? So it will be on a decreasing order. Okay,
Depending, uh,
you will get values in a decreasing order. Okay, so first maximum will come first and then it will go on decreasing. Okay, it will go on decreasing. Next one is like, if you can use any doubt in this one, in any doubt in this line, guys? Anyone?
So, Jayant, I have one small question regarding this.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so suppose the salary is suppose 17,000, 17,000, two places there, right?
Yes.
So in this case, in which basis is which one will come first and
Your voice is coming a little low. Can you speak loud, Hariom, if you don't mind?
okay. Now it's better.
Yeah, it's better now.
Yeah. So suppose the salary is showing 17,000, 70,000 in two places, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So and one name is Nina and one is Lex. So which one will come first and which one come
See, in this case, no, this is organized.
choice situation? Okay.
101, 102. Can you see it?
Okay.
When you have matching value, this one, no?
Yeah.
Then it will go on this value, first value, primary
Okay.
key.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
If you see the same value, no, 12,008 or 12,008, it also like here 108 and then 205.
Yeah.
So like that. Okay. Okay, guys. So next one, if you don't have any doubt on this one, then we'll go for the order by salary, and two columns. We'll take it as an example. Two columns. Okay. So if you will take two columns, no, one column you can make it ascending or descending, and another one also you can make it ascending and descending. But what will happen, no? What will happen? Like I'll make it opposite this one. So if I'll run this, what will happen to your department ID? Let's take only department ID. Now you see your value, okay? So I have made it a descending. Descending means decreasing order. Okay, first maximum value will come. So what is the department maximum value? 110, 110, then it's keep on decreasing. But in this case, no, null will also come. Null will also come as a default value, null. Okay, so null, where how many nulls will be there? It will come first here, and then 110, 110, 100, 100, 100, and then 90, 90 will be there. Okay, and then it will go on 80, 80, 80 like this. Okay, so based on this value only, if I'll take another value, order by department and salary, also will make it as if you will not mention anything, it will be in a ascending order. If you will not mention anything, it will be in ascending order, means increasing order. This I have made it in a decreasing order, same as it is. This will be on a increasing order. If I'll run it, what will get? Sorry. Okay, so 110, 110, this is as per the whatever the decreasing order we have mentioned here. Okay, decreasing order we have mentioned here. Then it will go to the this part. Okay, now if you'll see here, no, it's not in proper order. Can you see, guys? It's not in proper order. Somewhere it's a more, somewhere it's a less. Like there is no proper order only. Got it? Why? Because we have mentioned here as a ascending order. First it will arrange department ID. First it will arrange department ID. Okay, then it will go to the salary. Then it will go to the salary. First it will arrange department ID, then it will arrange salary. First it is in a descending order. Okay, descending order. And if you see 110, 110, out of this value, no, it will make your salary in a ascending order. Okay, or let me make this also ascending order only, so that you will not have any confusion. Now you see 10, one value only, so there is no difference here. So if you will see 2020, no, 2020, what is happening? Salary also in ascending order, increasing order. First minimum value is coming, then maximum value is coming, but it will be on based on this value only. Other value, sorry guys, go on mute if you're not talking. Okay, so 2020, when the department ID 2020, for this value the salary will be arranged in ascending order. Okay, for this value only, first preferences will be given to department ID. First preference will be given to department ID, then it will go to the next column. First preference will be given to the department ID, then only it will go to the next column. Like first preferences will be 2020. Okay, so this will be arranged in ascending order. The next value will be your, in this only it will arrange the 6,000 and 13,000. If you see the next value, now it will be more clear. Now can you see this is arranged in ascending order, full department ID in ascending order. Okay, then out of this value, salary will be made in ascending order. Salary will make it ascending order. You see minimum value, then it is going to be increased 2,500, 2,600, 2,800, 2,900, 3,100, 11,000 like that. Okay, so first it will arrange this value. Then from this value, whatever the matching value will be there for department ID, in that value only it will arrange the salary in ascending order. Okay, now if you'll see the 50 value, we have 45 record for 50, department ID 50. So if you'll see here, it is starting from minimum value and it keep on increasing, keep on increasing. If I'll make it descending, then what will happen to this 20 department ID 20 guys?
Department value, it will remain same. Only salary it will come as
Yeah,
a
13,000 will come.
13,000 will come first. Correct. If I'll
Yeah.
make it as a descending like this. Okay. In this guys, it will be opposite. 11,000 will come first.
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The order will change. No, see.
Yes, already order will change, sir.
Yes. Now see 2020. See, previously it was 13,000 below, 6,000 up, but now it's a 13,000 up, 6,000 below. And this 30, no? Now it's, can you see it?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so this is what first preferences will be given to this column, then it will go to this column. If matching value will be there for this department ID, then only it will arrange this salary. Okay, got it guys? Everyone clear? Arindam?
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, Swati, tell me.
Sir, but salary is not showing in order. Means only salary column.
See, the two columns we have taken. Here one column, here second column. Order by first column, okay? And then second column. Can you see? First, it will arrange this one, order by clause. Okay, then whatever the matching value will be there, no 30, 30, 30, then it will arrange the second salary column. This is the column I have taken here in a detail level. Instead of a star, I have taken two columns so that it will display two columns only. Got it now? Swati?
Yes. Yes.
Anyone is having any doubt, raise your hand. Who is having doubt, raise your hand.
We can put n number of tables, sir.
N number of columns you can put here.
Sorry, columns.
Yeah. Anyone is having any doubt, raise your hand.
Sir, how it will be if we give 5 days instead of salary?
Sorry.
Instead of salary, if we give 5 days instead, right? Days.
Your voice is not clear. Can anyone understand her question?
Instead of salary, if we are giving 5 date.
Higher date. You
She
can
is
give
asking
higher
to
date.
type one more column, sir.
Same thing it will apply. Higher date.
Yes.
Instead of salary, if you'll give higher date, same thing will happen. Okay. Sorry. Higher date I have to take here. In detail level, let's take it higher date.
Yeah, before we are doing.
Yeah. Now you see. See 2020. Observe now. Which date is
Hello.
bigger?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, just a second. Let me finish her question. Then we'll come to you. Okay. See, bigger is coming first. If you'll make it ascending here, no, then
Okay.
it will be 4 will come up, 5 will go down.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? Now, if you'll see here, 30, 7, 6, 5, 5, 3, 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
someone was asking, let me know.
Sir, only if you take a
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Krishna, tell me.
hello.
Sir, if in the query in the selected department ID, the department ID, I date is not, if not given, only in employee ID from employee order by department ID, I date. Also, we have to write query, write query, right, sir?
Come, ask again.
No, sir.
If
What?
not, write the
No,
query.
sir is asking instead of giving department ID and higher date, we can use another columns like
Any column
Another
you can
columns
use.
also not given. Directly we have to use in employee ID. From employee order by department ID, high date, descending. That's it only we have to write.
Any column
That
you
part
can
is
give here.
remove.
Yeah.
That part is remove, sir.
Hmm.
Whatever you have to select, that part is remove. Remove and employee is given. Employee is given.
Hmm.
Okay. If the now will be this is the correct way or not?
Any column you can give here from the table. No, you can give any column here. No worries.
Why
Select.
I am asking, but employee directly we have to given to employee ID from employee order by department ID and I date is also is correct way, right?
Yeah. Miss, see here, whatever you are giving, that is fine. It will, your data will be arranged based on this only. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. See, if you'll give here, your data will be arranged according to this, well, these two columns only. Now see, your value will be arranged because of based on this one only, because you have given what? Order by department ID first. It will be arranged, all the value will be arranged according to this department ID only. Previously, if you'll see, whatever the value we have in a real-time scenario, what is the value? 100, 101, 102. But when you'll run this query, it will show you like this, because this will be arranged
Okay,
according
we
to
have to
order by clause.
we have to see particular column. We have to use that type of query. If not, if only in if directly we have to use it in column, this query is used, right, sir?
Any column you can use here in a select label. Select part, you can use any column here, like first name, last name, email, phone number, whatever you want, you can keep it here. It's not required that whatever you are doing here, that only you have to take it. Do practice more on this. Okay, you understood all the things. No, you do whatever R&D you want to do, you do it. It will be not a problem. Okay.
Sir,
Then
can you install my laptop in my system in Oracle software SQL?
yeah. Why you have contacted Vishal for installation? He will help you
No,
to
sir.
install the software.
Can you share me the his number?
You are in group.
Yeah.
In group only. I'm just sharing it. Okay. Vishal
Okay.
number. So of all installation, he will do it. He will connect with you and he will install you.
Okay.
I shared it. Vishal number, because I have to drive group discussion for the job searching people for the new batch and all. So I'll be not having time for the installation. I gave him that one Vishal number for installation. Okay, just contact him. Okay, guys, so let's move. Any doubt from this, or just do practice. If you'll have any doubt also, do practice, and then if any doubt will be there, we'll discuss on Monday, or one session we'll keep Saturday or Sunday. One day for the practice sessions we'll keep, not general, not for the not the course content, only for the doubt clearance sessions. Saturday or Sunday I'll keep it, or both day in the daytime we'll keep it, so that like new people know. If you are struggling with the things, anyway you will have office off. So Saturday and Sunday you can connect 1 hour and then we'll discuss on that. Is it okay, guys? Just do practice whatever the query I have given and observe the things. These are all a little bit, I know you will face problem initially, but once you will do practice, you will be able to do it. So this chapter is finished. Anyone is having any doubt?
Yeah, Jayant, one small thing.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, if we take first name in order by Jayant, so it will order by on the first letter, or it will, how it will be? Could you please?
So what is the order of letters? Can you tell me?
Yeah, how it will order? I mean, on the basis of first letter, or it will consider whole. I mean, first name.
No, but first name, what first character is that matters. No, like based on that only it will. What your common sense says.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, for to confirm, I am asking. That's why.
now can you see here?
Yeah, yes.
So first letter is A. According to this, it will go in increasing order. Like next one will be B.
So
Next one
no,
will be C,
no.
D, like that.
Okay.
First
So
C, A will come, then AD is there. Okay, it will check like that. AD. So bigger than AD, what will be? AL? Bigger
yes,
than
yes.
AL, AM is there. Then AN, like that it will. rectify, and it will give you the output. Just try it. Whatever the value is coming in mind, no, just try it. Everything, if you'll discuss here, your course content only will be delayed. You got the idea, try in your database. Okay, you will get everything. It's very easy. SQL is very easy. Okay, it's not like people will say that Python is easy, Python is easy, but when you'll go for the programming, no, it will be so difficult. So many things are there in Python. It's like you directly you can read it, basic level you can learn it, but when you will be involved in writing queries, no, then you see, like in Google, you search some queries for the Python, you will find out like how difficult it is, the writing the query in a Python. Definitely it's a one line things are there, but combinedly when you write a big logic, no, it will be so complex there. It will be like Java only. But this why I'm saying that SQL is very easy, very easy. If you'll practice it, everything will be perfectly fine. There is no problem in that SQL, and this is for the lifelong. You will have you will be using this one. Whether you use Python, whether you use Java, you will be using SQL for the lifelong, because wherever data will come, you have to use it, SQL. So just practice whatever the concept I have explained, just do practice, and then we'll discuss again on Saturday, Sunday if you'll not get it today and tomorrow. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's move to the next chapter. And that will be easy only. So this two rename on this one. It's like, people are struggling. I'll move this one forward only. Okay, so next chapter will be working with DDL command. Okay, working with DDL command. Working with DDL command. So what will be there? In DDL command, what we are going to learn, what is DDL command in its type, create command, drop command, alter command, truncate command. This will be made very interesting. This 4 will be very interesting. Okay, just focus more. It will be not like order by and rename. I know like that is confusing, but that is more easy than this one. Okay, learning by this will be very easy, but doing by that one will be easy. You when you will do practice, now you will realize that. So just read this one for 1 minute, then I'll explain you. Okay, guys. So what is DDL command and its type? We are going to learn what is DDL command. Very easy. Okay, very easy, and you will be able to understand this one very nicely. Okay, DDL stands for data definition language. DDL stands for data definition language. DDL changes the structure of the table, like creating table, deleting a table, altering a table, etc. Okay, so DDL changes the structure of the table. Like when you create a table, when you create a new table, no, like when you create a table like A, B, or whatever the table you are creating, you are changing the structure of that table. Okay, when you are dropping a table, when you are deleting a table, that also you are changing the structure of the table. You are just deleting the table. Altering the table means you are altering the columns. Okay, if you are changing the column name, or you are dropping this column name, or if you are changing any value, all these things, if you are changing the structure of the table. Structure of the table means what? You can say the DESC and then table name, employees. So this is the structure of the table. If anything you do, if it's the changing their structure while creating a table, while adding a new column, while dropping a new all old column, if you are going to modify anything, like you are going to change data type or length of the length value, if you are going to add new columns, multiple columns, or you are going to drop in this table, means what? You are changing the structure of the table. So what is the use of DDL command? No? So if you are using DDL command, no, you are changing the structure of the table. You change the structure of the table, like creating a table by using create command. Okay, deleting a table by using drop and truncate command, altering a table using the alter command. So these are the things we are going to learn in this. How we are going to create table, how we are going to modify existing table. I'm recording, guys. Okay, we are recording. So how we are dropping a table, how we are going to truncate the table, all these things we are going to learn here. So all the commands of DDL, these 4 commands are auto committed. Auto committed means what? When you run this queries, no, when you run query based on this topic, it will be auto committed. The moment you will run the query based on these topics, it will be auto committed, and you cannot roll it back. You cannot undo the changes. It will be saved permanently. It means it will be saved permanently, all the changes in the database. Okay, all the changes in the database. This we are going to discuss, how it will be saved permanently, and how can we how it will be not we cannot do undo. We cannot take it back, whatever the things we have executed in the database, how it will be saved permanently. These are the things we are going to see in couple of minutes. Okay, so here are some command that comes under DDL. Okay, here are some command that comes under DDL. What are that? Create command, alter command, drop command, truncate command. All these 4 command comes under DDL. Okay, so first we'll learn that first command will be create a statement. Okay, so in this we are going to learn that how we are going to create a new table, Okay, let's take another slide. If you want to take new slide, you have to click here, this SQL. Okay, click here. Here it will ask which schema you want to access. I want HR schema. Click OK. It will be new worksheet will be open. Okay, new worksheet will be open. So if you want to create a new table, then what you will how will you do it? This is the syntax to create a new table. Okay, the create table command is used to create a new table in the database. If you want to create a new table in the database, you can use create command. Create table name, whatever the table name you want to give, XYZ, ABCD, apple, guava, whatever the name you want to give, you can give it. Employee, person, elephant, whatever the name you want to give, you can give, open the bracket. Then column 1, how many columns you want to add? Okay, how many columns? These are the columns you want to add, or something else you want to add. Like if you are making a table called colors, in colors what you will write? Red, yellow, green, all these things. So data type. Okay, what type of data you want to add here? What type of data you want to add in the column? If it's a numeric, I have explained in the first class, correct? So if it's a numeric, then you will add number data type. If it's a numeric, then you will add here number and how much size you want. 10 size, 20 size, you will write 10 or 20 or 30, whatever you want. Up to 38, you can write it here. Column 1, whatever the value you want to add, employee ID. So number is the data type. Then size 10. Okay, column 2, consider name. Name will be your string only, no characters or string. So you can write Varchar 2. Varchar 2 is a alphanumeric value. You can add alphabets also and number also. So column 2, it's a data type as a varchar 2. Okay. And size you want 20, 30, 50, 60, whatever the size you want, you can keep it here. Okay. And then n number of column you can take here, n number of column you can take, close the bracket, terminate the query. Okay. This is the syntax of your to create the new table in the database. The column parameter, no, the column parameter specifies the name of columns of the table. What type of column you want to add? What column you want to add here? Okay, what columns you want to add here? The data type parameter specifies the type of data the column can hold. Okay, what type of data you want to assign to this column 1, column 2, that data type you have to mention. If it's a date, then date data type. If it's a number, then number data type. It's a string, then varchar 2 data type, you have to assign it. And how much size you want to add, 10, 20, 30 value you want to limit the value, you can add here. Okay. If you will not mention anything, automatically it will take default value. Okay. Maximum value it will take it. So we'll learn very basic things. Very basic query, very basic select statement. Okay. So very basic create command. One table will create one column value table will create, like will create table X. Okay. In this X, no, we'll add let's say person will create person. Person is the table name. Okay. Person is the table name. And person is a table name. I'm also person, you are also person. So let's make it as a first things will be what? Name. Will make it as a name. Okay, name will be what? Alphabets, string, characters. Then we have to add varchar 2. Okay, whatever the limit you want to give, 10. Okay, so 10 is fine. Close it. One column, it will be created. Okay, person for batch 21. Like make it like this. This is the table name. This is the generic value you have to write when you create a new table. This is common in this. This will be your table name. Okay. Same thing it will show you in a database. This is the column name. This is the data type. This is the data type and this is the size. So if you run this, see table person 21 is created. Okay. Table person 21 is created. Now if you'll see that what are the columns we have in this, you will write simply select star from, then table name. What is the table name? Person 21. Let's copy it and paste it here. So we have added only name, data type, name as a column. So it is showing only one name, Okay. So if you want to see the structure of the table, what you will write? DESC, then table name. So what it will show, it will describe this table, whatever that columns will be there, data types will be there, it will describe that. Can you see it? Name, varchar 10, whatever we have added here, no, that is what it is there. Got it? Now next one, I want to create the value called, I want to create another table. Okay, another table. Let's make it same thing. With 2 columns. I want to keep it 2 columns here. Okay. So let's make it create. Can you help me guys to write the query?
Create table.
Person 22.
21. Second one, we can make it second. Or let's
name bracket.
Second. Then
name
same thing. Comma. Salary.
Second name.
Location.
Contact number.
Location. Okay.
Varchar of
2. Okay.
Varchar of 10.
20. Then I want to add salary also.
Yeah.
Salary. Number.
Of 10.
10 or whatever you want to mention, you can mention. If you run it, your table will be created. Okay. Now see, table person 2, table person underscore 21 2 is created. Now we'll see the structure of the table, guys. How will we see the value of the table? What are the things we can write?
Desk.
DSC.
Desk person
Table
21,
name.
21.
Okay. So it will give the structure of this table. How many columns are there, data types are there, everything it will show. Clear, guys? Is it clear? Everyone?
Yeah.
Sir,
Who did not understand, raise your hand.
yeah, a small doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Here in salary, you have given number. You can give number or worker at two.
Sorry?
See, here we have given initially name worker 2 and bracket 10. Okay, second option is like so location worker 2 and 20. Third option is salary. Here number as given number.
Salary, what we will have in salary value?
Number, sir.
Number, that's what number only you have to give.
Number only you have to give. Then if it is email ID, then we can give worker 2.
Worker 2 you can give.
Yeah, okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Worker 2 is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means what? Alphanumeric means what? It will accept alphabets also and numbers also.
Okay.
Okay, but numbers, no, it will accept numbers only. If number, I have explained in the first class. If you have gone through that, you may remember it. Okay. If we mention number like this, no, 10 comma 2 means what? Or like make it as a 5 comma 2 means what? This is the precision and this is the scale. After decimal, it will accept 2 value. Like if I'll mention salary number 5 comma 2, so what will happen? No, you can add like this 1 2 3 4 5, this 5 value before decimal, then after decimal 2 value you can add like 3 4 or 0, whatever the value means. This is the meaning of adding 2 in the after the comma. This will be not possible when if we can mention here salary varchar 2 also, but what is that? This will be not possible in a varchar 2. So that's why we are making as a salary. When it's a number, let's make it a number only.
Okay.
Okay. If it's a date, no, like this type of date will be there, then you will add data type as a date.
Okay.
Okay, so like it's if I'll say that date, okay, date, then date data type, date or like higher date, something like that you can say. Higher date, then date. Got it? Got it?
Yeah, sir.
Like this here you see higher date, date. Same thing. Can you observe, guys? Commission percentage number 2 comma 2 means up to 2 decimal point it will accept. If you'll see the commission percentage column, no, see 0.25 up to 2 decimal point it will accept. Same as here. Who did not understand, raise your hand. We'll explain it again. Who did not understand, raise your hand. The very basic, very low level query I have wrote. Krishna, yeah, tell me, Krishna, you need to do more practice, Krishna. Okay, now what is the doubt, Krishna? Tell me. Krishna, can you speak?
Yes, you have to how to create that table, and you have to see there in what the purpose, in what the purpose of where it is used in this query, how to use.
See, what the purpose is that, no, this table is created, employees table. You can fill the data in that table. If you are creating the table, no, these are the data you can fill here. You can insert name, Jayant, Krishna, Ramesh, all these things. In place of name, you can add value. Instead of location, you can add value. Location is Bangalore, Patna, Delhi, Mumbai, like that you can add it. Then salary, you can add it 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, like that you can add it. So the use of why we are creating a table, no, you can add data. business data, business people, company data will be stored in this table only. And it will be organized. If it's a customer table, if you are creating a customer table for business people, then what will happen in customer? What they will tell? Customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer location, customer PAN card, customer Aadhaar card. All this information they will keep as a customer place. So those customer details will be there. Consider that one company, a company is there. One company, Amazon is there. So Amazon is having millions of customers. Okay, I am also customer, you are also customer, someone else also customer. So millions of customer is there. So what they will do, no, Amazon, what they will do, Amazon gave the requirement to the developer, Bhaiya, you create a table called customer. Okay, customer. And in that, you give me, this is the table, okay, this is the table. This is the table, okay, and you add, these are the columns in this customer table. What is that? Customer ID, okay, this one, first column. Then second column, customer name, okay. Then third column, customer mobile number, okay, mobile number, okay. Then they told, write customer address, okay. This will be created, the table will be created, and they will have 100, consider that 1000 customer details they have. So where they will add all this value, they will add in this customer table only, like how you have here, no, in this employees table. Can you see employees table, guys? So employees table is having how many records? 107 record, organized way. Okay. So like this only, your data will be also organized in this table, customer table, Amazon table. Okay, we'll learn that how to insert data when we have a table created. We'll learn that. Clear, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Now your job is to create this table and show me tomorrow afternoon. Okay, same thing, everyone, especially Krishna.
Okay, sir.
Okay, create this table, add this column. Customer ID means customer ID you can mention varchar 2 or number also. Customer name you can add varchar 2. Customer mobile number, numbers. Customer address, varchar 2. Like that you create and then share me. Everyone got the message? Okay, so this is what we have for the create command. Okay, create n number of table, practice it. You create 10 columns and see how it will be. Okay, clear, guys? We have document for that also. You can create, you can refer those document. Is there in your drive. Okay, so we have 3 tables here. Okay, clear? Krishna, Arindam?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you have to give on to if any own queries you have to give to me work. We will practice and we will do the assignment type of work.
Yeah. We'll give you in we'll text in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah, sir. It is very useful to SQL, very work in.
Yeah. SQL is very worth it. If you're learning it, in future it will be so much of use. Okay, this is the only like very important I seen in my career. Yeah. Others like Java and all, they'll have a very vast learning. This will be there. Okay, guys. So let's move to the next topic. We'll come back to the scope and all later. Next demo will take you. Okay. So this drop command. Okay. So just read this one, then I'll explain you nicely. SQL is nothing but how much you will do practice, no, that much you will learn it. How you will have rusted iron will be there. Okay, rusted iron will be there. How much you will rub it, no, that much shining will come. This same thing in SQL also. Any other technology also, same thing. How much you will practice, that much you will get the knowledge of that technology. If you feel anything is hard, anything is tough, if you'll give time, no, that will be the easiest thing for you in the any knowledge sharing. If you feel that any math, if you take the math topic, you may experience in 9th, 10th standard or whenever you have studied in math, which topic you find difficulties, no, if you'll give time, no, you may come to know that that is the best part for yours. So same thing for SQL also. You have to practice. This is new things for few people. Just do practice. Okay, guys, read it. Time by time, I have to motivate you guys. So don't feel bored. Just one request, never lie to me, you know, in whenever you whether you learn or not, whether you going to continue here, you're going to search and all, no, don't lie to me anyway. Okay, I also came from your you know, like I passed your phase, and then I am in IT from past 11 years. I know where you will struggle, where you will have difficulties. I know everything. Okay, only thing is that when you lie, no, I'll not force you to tell the truth. So same thing happened yesterday. One lady, like she and her husband lied, then that is going to affect her. So if you're going to search job, always tell true. We are like, I'm here, think I'm a brother, okay? So you can share anything to me related to course, not general. Okay, guys. So we'll start the drop command. What drop command is there? No? Drop is used to delete both the structure and the record stored in a table. Okay. So what it will do? No, drop command. We have created new tables. 2 tables we have created, guys. Okay. So we have not added any value, but the drop command, no, what it will do? No, it will drop the structure of the table. It will drop the table completely, including your data and structure. Including your data and structure, it will drop it. It will delete it from the database. You will not able to take it back also. Once you'll run the drop command, no, drop table name, okay, you'll not able to retrieve the table back. It will be deleted permanently from the database, including your whatever the data will be there, as well as the structure of the table will be deleted. Whole instances will be deleted from the your database. If you run drop command, your table will be deleted completely. In a table, in the sense, in table we'll have two things. In table we will have two things. One is data, one is a structure of the table. So both the things will be deleted when you run the drop command. When you run the drop command, both the things will be deleted. Full table will be deleted, including inside table, whatever the data and structure will be deleted. It will be deleted completely, permanently, thoroughly from the database. You will not able to take it back. You will not able to take it back. Definitely, you will not able to take it back. So syntax of the in this one, no, a drop statement in SQL removes a component from a relational database management system, RDBMS. We have learned in the first session. A drop statement in SQL removes a component. Component means table structure and data. Component means table structure and data. It will remove complete table structure and data from the RDBMS or database. Rollback is not possible. Rollback is not possible. If you want to revert it back, if you want to take it back, it's not possible. The moment you run this one, your table is gone. You cannot take it back from the database, any mode of this. So drop table name is general syntax. Drop table customer is an example of it. So customer is a table. If you run it like this, if you have created this table and inserted some value in a customers, if you run this drop table name, no, it will go off. It will go off completely. Okay. So this is what we have the drop table. We'll see some of the query in this. Okay. So how many tables we have created, guys? 2 tables. One is person. person 21. Okay, so if you will see, if you will see, select a start from this table. Okay, so the table is this, only name column is there. You can find out a structure of it, DSC, and then table name. You can find out this one, a structure of the table like this. So now you got it like this. Let's clean it. This is the brush. If you want to clean this output screen, you click on this one, it will be cleaned. Now you run it again, you will get single like this. This is the structure and this is the table. Okay, table details, name is the column. We have not inserted any value till now in this table, so that's why it is there. So we are going to insert the value from in Monday class. Okay, or if I want, I can take it today only. Let me see after the class, after this session, after this one. So so this is there. So if I want to delete the data, what we'll do? Drop table. What is the table name we have? This one.
Person 21.
So if I'll run, this table will be dropped. You will not able to take it, revert it back. This will not show you if you will run this above query. We got the value now, no? After running this one, like you got the value this one. You got the value this one. If you will run again, this one drop table name, you will not able to get those information. Now see, table person 21 dropped. Okay, now you run this one. Table of view does not exist. Can you see, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what you run this one, this also gone, table structure also gone. Okay, so next one is clean it. Next one is, let's take this also we have created, correct? So let's take this one also. Let's see how many columns are there in this one. See, 3 columns are there. 3 columns are there. So, and what is the structure of this? We have.
No, you have to enter. You did a wrong comment.
So 3 columns are there.
Yeah.
So what will be the syntax, guys? Or how to write drop command? Drop. Huh?
Drop table.
Table name.
Drop table.
Person 21.
Person 21.
So this table will be dropped. Now table is dropped. Okay, let's clean the output button. And now you run it, you will not get anything. Table or view does not exist. Run it. Object person 21.2 does not exist at all. Clear? So now let's take it as a one, which is having value. Like let's take A. Okay, let's see what are the how many values are there. Select a star from A. So 4 values are there in this table A. So if I'll write a drop table name, drop table A, what will happen?
Sir, more background voices there, sir.
If you are having so much noise, then don't turn on your mic, okay? Drop table A. Okay, so what it will happen, guys? The table data also will be deleted. We have seen that a structure, though it was going on, it was removing the structure also. Now the table data also will go off. So you will not able to find out anything. Now see, drop table is dropped. If you will run this query, you will not able to find anything. Table or view does not exist. Clear? Let's see table B. We have table B also, left side if you see, no? Table B also we have. Already from previous class, I have created this table B and all. Okay. Now, if you'll see here, if you'll draw, if you'll run this drop table B, no, this you'll not able to retrieve it back. Any doubt, guys? Clear? Anyone is having any doubt? Raise your hand.
But still, we can see in table A and B in schemas, right? That won't get deleted. Yeah, here.
Yeah, once it will be refreshed, no, you will not able to see it. Now, because we have not refreshed it, so you will disconnect. Let's disconnect and then let's see it. It's got disconnect. But when you'll log in again next time, no, you'll not able to see, I guess. Can you see it? Table A is there?
No.
B is there? Like that. Got it? Any question, raise your hand. Who did not understand, raise your hand. Krishna? Krishna?
No, sir.
Arindam?
We have to practice that time.
Yes.
That time I'm getting doubts, sir.
Yeah. That Saturday,
That
Sunday
time I
we'll
got
have 1 hour session, okay? For practice people, no, we'll do the 1 hour session, okay? So that whatever the doubt will be there, no, note it down in a notebook somewhere, okay? And keep it handy. Saturday we'll
Okay,
connect, and then Sunday we'll connect. We'll utilize this Saturday, Sunday full.
okay, sir.
Utkarsh, any
At the
doubt?
same time,
Yeah.
on Saturday, Sunday, at the same time we will connect.
Not same time, more daytime will connect. Same time we'll have evening classes, evening batch.
Okay.
Maybe 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, like that, 3 o'clock.
I have one doubt. So
Yeah, tell me.
only tables only we can drop from by using this drop command, right?
You can drop view also. When we learn view, no, that time we'll see.
So like what is my question is, so I have one table. So in that table, so I don't want employee name. So I want only employee ID and employee location.
You mean to say that you want to drop the column name?
Yeah, column name.
That we are going to learn in alter command.
Alter.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So then I have one question. Hello.
Yes, Hariam.
Yeah. So suppose in one table, suppose some record is there, right? Like employee ID having some employee number, some 100, 200, something, some data is there. So, so while executing the drop command, so which one is going to delete first? Firstly, a structure of the data or data will delete first?
It will be delete both at one shot only. It's not like a structure will be deleted and then table structure will there. Once you run the drop command, both the things will be deleted.
Yeah, I can understand. But internally, what should be deleted first?
No, see, you cannot follow up only the speed. When you run the drop command, it's very fast command.
Yeah.
So it will, the moment you will run, it will be dropped. So which one will be deleted? We are not going in that much depth. We are not going to for the admin job. So, okay. So admin will able to tell, but admin also, I have not seen anywhere it is mentioned that drop the table and then structure, not like that. So it which comes under the truncate and delete, row by row and all this thing. There we'll learn that how it will be deleted.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So shall we insert the data or shall we continue this one?
Yeah, we can continue.
Okay. So let's complete this alter command. Okay. Just read this one. It's a very, very important interview perspective. Okay. Whatever is there in the notes, everything is important for the interview as well as project wise. When you will be working a project, you will be using these DDL and DML command. You will be not using much, but in interview perspective, this DDL and DML commands are very important. Other than DDL and DML, whatever the course content will be there, it is very important for the project wise as well as the interview perspective. Both the things I have kept in my mind, so that you will not struggle in both the places. Any problem in understanding, guys? Anyone is having difficulties with my language or communication? Raise your hand. Okay, guys. So what alter command will do? No, the alter command is a DDL command. Okay, alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table. Okay, the alter command is a DDL command. Okay, to modify a structure of the existing table. Existing table means what? Whatever the table is already there in a database. For that only alter command will be applicable. Table is already there, structure is there, data is there or not, we don't care on that. Okay, only a structure will be there in a table is there and a structure of the table is there, that only. Okay, so for those tables only, it will be applicable, the alter command will be applicable. The alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of the structure of existing table. Existing table means already available table in the database. If you want to modify their structure by adding a new columns, by renaming a columns and tables. Okay, if you want to drop a columns, so these are the things. If you perform, you are modifying the structure of the table. Change data type. If you want to change the data type, that is also possible using alter command. So alter command is what? The alter command is DDL command used to modify the structure of existing table. Existing table, XYZ table is already there in a database. If you want to add new columns into that XYZ, you can add the new columns in XYZ table. If you want to rename any columns, okay, in database in XYZ table, you can do that. If you want to rename XYZ to new XYZ, you can do that. You can rename the table names also. You can, if you want to delete any columns, you can do that using the delete command. Okay, if you want to change any data type, you can use alter command and you can do that. So alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table in database by adding, modifying, renaming, or dropping columns and constraint from the tables. Okay, the constraint part we'll see in a constraint chapter, but we'll see up to columns and table level for a time being. Okay, so these are the 4 command will be used in alter command. Important action using alter command. Important actions using alter command. Add columns. You can add n number of columns. You can rename a columns, existing columns, and you can rename the tables. Okay, if you want to drop the columns, existing column from the existing table, you can drop the table columns also for using alter command. You can delete column also using alter command. If you want to change data type, that is also possible. Okay, we'll see one by one how we are going to do this, all these things, all 4 things. Okay, so first of all, add column. Okay, just read this one, then I'll explain you. 1 minute. Okay, so consider that we have a new table. Okay, XYZ table is there. In that, we have already 5 columns are there. If you want to add 5 more columns, no, you can use alter command. Okay, you can use alter command to add a new column. If you want, if you have already tables, and if you want to add a new columns, you can use it alter command, and you can use alter command, and you can add n number of columns. So what we are going to do using alter command, how to add new columns in an existing table. This task we are going to do using alter command. We can add n number of columns to the table. Okay, using alter command, we can add n number of columns in the table. Okay, in the table, existing table only. So how we can do it? If you want to insert one column, you will use this one, alter table name. This will be common for all the alter command. Okay, alter table name, add column name, data type, and size. When you are inserting one column, when you are adding one column, this will be the syntax. When you are adding one column, then this will be syntax. Alter table name, add column name. What column name you want to add? You have to mention the name here. And what data type this column name will have, that you have to number, varchar, to date, whatever. How much size you want to add, 10, 20, 50, 60, like that. Okay, so this is a single column. If you want to add single column, this will be syntax. If you want to add single column, then this will be syntax. If you want to add n number of column, then this will be syntax. Okay, so there is a difference, guys, in this one. Okay, now you are adding one column, you are not mentioning bracket, but here we have a bracket here. Alter table name, add, open the bracket, column name 1, data type, size, comma, second column name, then data type, size, comma, third column name, data type, size, fourth column, comma, fifth column. Like that you can do it, and number of column you want to use it. So we'll see in a database how it is going to work. See, let's create one table. Okay, let's create one table, and we'll see how to add n number of columns. Okay, so this is the query. It's there already in your document. Please refer it. Okay, we are going to create a new table. Okay, we are going to create new tables. What is the table name? Employee is a table name. Employee is a table name. Create table name. Just now we have seen how to create new tables. So same thing we are going to create again. So what will happen, guys, for this one? Okay. So it will be created? Employee table, new table, then employee ID, first name, last name, email as a column, phone number, salary. Existing table only we are going to create. Then we'll have the existing table, correct? If you will have already, if you will not have a table, then how will you use this alter command? So for applying all this alter command, we should have one table. So let's see that whether let's drop this one first, or like let's create it. So name is already used by the existing object. Okay, already this table is there. Already this table is there. If you want, you can drop it. If you don't want, it's fine. So we'll drop the table employee only. Drop table and then employee. Getting or not, guys? Let's create this. This part is extra. Okay, we'll come to the syllabus. Now table is created. Let's see how many columns are there in this. Select star from employee. This is the table name you have. Let's save this one. And then structure of the table is DESC employee. See, the structure of the table employees, whatever we have created recently. Can you verify it? See, employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary. First name, last name, email, phone number, salary. Just now we have created. Now we are going to apply alter command. What is this alter command? We are going to add single column. We are going to add multiple column. Okay, so how can we do that? So if you want to add single column, no, can you see alter table, table name? What is the table name we have created now? Existing table, employee. Employee is a table name. Add, what column you are adding?
Address.
Address column. And what data type we have given to this address column?
Worker.
So,
2.
yes. So now you see, this is the now latest one structure. When we'll run this one, this address will be added here. Okay, to the new, it will be new structure. Now if I'll run it, see, table employee altered. Okay, now if you'll see the structure of the table, no, here it will be added new address. Can you see, guys? Can you see it? Previously,
Yes.
previously it was like this. Previously it was like this. Now when I run this one, no, add address varchar 200. Now see, observe it.
Now
Got added.
address will added here.
Yes. Address new column is got added. Now if you run this one, no, this is the real like old structure. Okay. Now if you run it, now see address is coming. Address new column is getting added.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
this is- Now if you want to add more than one column, okay, more than one column, then you have to mention bracket, and then how many column you want to add, you can add it. So we have taken alter table name. Table name is employee. Add open bracket address home varchar 200 city varchar 225 pin code number. So how many column we are adding, guys?
3,
3 columns.
1.
Who is able to see 4 columns?
Sorry, sir. 3.
Okay, so 3 column address, home, city, pin code. So when you run this, these 3 columns will be get added. Interview question, guys. They will ask you in interview. Now when I'll run, no, the 3 columns will be added here below address. Can you see, guys? Same
Yes.
thing. Varchar 100, varchar 25, city varchar 25, pin code number. Can you see, guys? Everyone? Maybe you people are tired.
Yes, sir.
Tired?
No, sir.
Okay.
In pin code data type is number, right? So here we have not given any size.
A number we have not mentioned any size, no? Do we have mentioned? No, no.
No.
So that's why it is showing without size.
So in the salary, how is taken 38?
Salary we have given, I guess. Salary integer we have given. Integer will be 38. Number
Right.
also it will take 38 only. But we have given integer here. So integer also if you'll mention, no, it will take automatically number only.
So by default, the data size will be 38.
Yes. Got it?
Yeah.
So enough for today. How to drop columns and all, we'll see Monday. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll explain it again, alter command. So that we'll have proper flow. Okay. So that's what we have seen. What are the topics we have discussed today? Order by clause. Then how to create tables. Drop command. Drop command.
Alter
Then
command.
alter one value we have seen. Maybe from Monday onwards, little bit fast class will be there. Once you people will be able to write the query, then we'll go little bit more. Like today we have taken 1 hour, 10 minute, 15-minute class. It will be exact 1 hour, 25-minute, 30-minute class will be there. Monday onwards. Okay, 7:45 to 8:15 like that. Now, if anyone is having any question, ask. You can ask, guys.
Jayant, is it possible to create a table like without naming it and insert the column values?
Without column, without
No,
name.
Without table name.
Without table name, how will you make it? Without name, you will also not able to walk in the road. There should be some identity, no?
like giving any like symbols in it.
Symbol and all will not work. Table name should be there. Like how people will have name, no? Like that also table should have name also. Then only you will able to identify that, okay, it's a customer table, it's a sales table, it's a market table, all these things. Yeah, guys. Next, any question? We have 2 more minutes, 2-3 minutes more. Anyone want to ask? Okay, guys. So I'm also tired continuously.
Jayant, yeah, Utkarsh is right.
Yeah, Utkarsh, tell me. Now it's fine. Today's speed is good.
Yeah, it was fine.
Hmm.
So in the query section, there you have mentioned for the salary, the number is 38 by default.
Hmm.
Okay, so if it is more than 38, then
it will not take.
It will not. So can we increase the number or it is fixed for?
Fixed 38 is fixed. More than 38 digit, where you will use it. If you write 38 digit, it will be billion, trillions also. More than that, what value you will have?
Okay, okay. Okay, then fine. Thank you.
Okay, let's close the call.
So Jayant, I have not received, I think, yesterday's session.
Yesterday's session I have uploaded. I'll show you the drive. Okay. See, the 3 recordings are done. Like today only I have uploaded 10 o'clock.
Okay,
So 3 sessions are there. Today's session will be 4th session.
So my name is there on your ID. So just I wanted to confirm.
Okay, can you share your mail ID? Or tell me your mail ID.
Yeah, hariom.mch.
Sir, send me to me also.
Drop me, whoever is having no access, drop me in a WhatsApp group, okay? We'll share there, okay? Yeah, we got it. Who else was not having? Pradeep, okay,
Yes, sir.
I know, like you drop me a message. Okay, Pradeep, I know like today only you have joined. Yeah. Okay, drop me a message in WhatsApp. We'll give it. Everyone else is having. So how many members is having access? So many people is having already access. Okay. No worries in that. So everyone access will be removed after Monday class. Monday. Okay. Monday is last date for the your donation. Okay. Donate, guys. Bye everyone. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.